Students, welcome to Sheikh Mathematics classes. Today we start number system, new topics, new chapter, new video. Today is the first video of number system. Now we are going to discuss number system. There are different numbers, different types of numbers. So types of numbers, first we consider types of numbers. We know from lower class numbers what is number. So first we consider natural number. We know natural number. The symbol use n. N symbol is natural number. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, ... These are called natural numbers. Next we consider whole number. This is natural numbers, whole numbers. This symbol is W, whole W symbol, and this starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, ... This is whole number. Next we consider integers. This symbol sometimes we use Z or I. So Z equal to ... -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, ... These are called integers. Now from 1 to this side, these are called positive integers. And from -1 to this side, these are called negative integers. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So this side, this to this side positive, these are positive numbers, and from this to this, these are negative numbers. Now these are integers. Next we consider prime number. So the numbers which has only two factors, one in itself. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, ... These are prime numbers. Now next we consider composite number. Composite number, the numbers which has more than two factors, that means 6, 4, 6, 8, 10, 9, 10, 4, 6, 6, 8, 9, 10, ... These are composite number. Next we consider even number. So even number, the numbers, even numbers, these are 2, 4, 6, 8, ... which are divisible by 2. Next odd numbers. These are 1, 3, 5, 7, these are odd numbers. Next co-prime number. Co-prime number means we consider two numbers, their common factor is 1. Suppose 4 and 5. and 7 and 10. These are co-prime number which have only common factor is 1. So these are co-prime number. So next we consider rational number. Rational numbers. So co-prime numbers, then this is even numbers, odd numbers, and rational numbers. Rational number is the number which can be expressed in the p by q form and q not equal to 0. So if the number express p by q form, q not equal to 0 and their common factor is 1. So 1 by 2, 3 by 4, these are rational number. 0.5, this is also rational number. 0.5 also rational number. Just like this, these are rational number. Next we consider irrational. Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers means the numbers which cannot be expressed p by q form. That means root 2, root 3, pi, e, these are irrational numbers. So rational, irrational, all of these belongs to real number. Real number means real numbers. This is the set R we represent. That means natural number, whole number, this natural number, whole number, integers, rational, irrational, all of these are family members of real number. So natural number, whole number, integers, rational, irrational, all of these are real number. These are family members of real number. So real number is the universal set. All of these are subset of real numbers. Natural number is a subset of real number. Suppose if we consider 1, this number 1, this is a natural number, this is a whole number, this is an integer. So this is a real number also. So all of these are family members of real numbers. So these are the number system, and we know from lower class all of this. So I briefly discuss this. I consider one problem. The problem is very easy. This problem given, if n is any odd number greater than 1, then n into n square minus 1 is always divisible by 96, 48, 24, none of this. Which one is the correct answer? Now we examine. But here condition given, n is any odd number greater than 1. That means odd number 1, 3, 5, 7. These are odd numbers. Greater than 1 means we start from 3. Greater than 1 given. Now solution is that this one given, n into n square minus 1. Now which number divisible by this we have to find. This number is divisible by which number we have to find. If n equal to 3, then we have 3 into 3 square minus 1, 3 into 9 minus 1, 3 into 8, this is 24. If n equal to 5, then 5 into 5 square minus 1, 5 into, this is 25 minus 1, 24, 24 we get, this is 120 we get, 120. That means what we get, By putting n equal to 3, n equal to 5, we get these numbers. This is divisible by 24, this is also divisible by 24, because 24 into 5 we get 120. So this number divisible by 24, this number divisible by 24. So obviously this whole number is divisible by 24. Therefore what we get? Therefore n into n square minus 1 is divisible by 24. So answer, which one correct answer? C. Answer C, 24. So this number is divisible by 24 if n greater than 1. So odd number but greater than 1, then we get this is divisible by 24, and this is your answer. So I hope this solution is very easy. If this solution is very easy, if you are feeling easy, then please like this video, and if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.